Hey, Char. Let's do a video, honey. Come on, baby. Let's do a video. Let's show everybody what you've done. Because I want everybody to know that they shouldn't run out and just get a bird. Let's show them the good things and the bad things. What do you think? Should we? Say, this room used to be carpeted. All this room. And then little Missy here came into our lives and chewed it all up, didn't ya? You just chewed it all up, didn't ya? So what do? We put down different floor. Because floors can be replaced. Charlie cannot. Right, baby girl? I love you. Okay, let's go show him some other stuff. Come on. Come on. And couches. Let's show the wonderful, wonderful couches. Charlie's handiwork. Charlie's handiwork. Hi, pretty boy. Hi, guys. I know. Charley. Come here, baby girl. Where are you going? Where are you going? Say, if you want a Charley, or any of the birds actually, be prepared to buy lots of toys. Be prepared to buy lots of foods. Be prepared to get bit. Charles like, yeah, that's what happens. And if you think it's just big birds that do all this, oh, let me show you what my little demons in here do. James, let's just show everybody your handiwork. James did all this. All this, didn't you, baby? Say, you don't have to explain your art, do you? No. Say, that's pretty. You wanted it different, didn't you? And it's okay. Because guess what? I don't care. These things happen. They happen, don't they? Yes. What you doing, Skittles? Say, make sure you have friends to get you newspapers all the time. And invest in earbuds. And noise canceling headphones. What? I gotta go check on your sister. Where you at, little girl? Charlie. Say, we don't care. Say, it doesn't matter. Because Mama loves all of you guys. Everybody. But you are a lot of work. And I don't want people to think that you're not a lot of work. I don't want them to think, oh, I'll just go get a bird. Say, no. Say, research. Right? And adopt, don't shop, right?
Yeah.
That's right. And what else do we say?
Yeah.
That's right. And be prepared to travel long distances for the avian vets. Yeah. So we go all the way up to Champaign. 2 hours. 2 hours. 2 hours away we drive. Yeah. Just for you guys.
Yeah.
That's right, because we love you. Mama loves you. I love you. I love you, boys. Hi, James. I love you. Hi, pretty boy. Hi, honey. Oh, he said, no. What do you think, Char? Huh? What do you think, little girl? What? What do you think, James? What do you think, buddy? You guys know I love you, right? I know it. I know. You're waiting on Anthony, aren't you? You're waiting on Anthony? He'll be home soon, I promise. He'll be home soon. I love you. Okay, baby.